Twende. Just finished the first scene. Now we're going to do the second scene somewhere else. It's been great. The dancers are great. They've done a good job. Thanks to the camera guys and everything, the crew, everything has been real. So right now I just hope we're gonna get water because we're thirsty. But it's been true. One. Yeah. This is by now.
Wanasema unaringa.
Hapa tuko sip and live. Tunaenda kushoot. Nikubalie video ya mwisho. Hapa this night. Manager.
You want one shot with the manager? One shot with the manager?
Yeah.
But I'm not giving you my name.
So we'll sing.
Oh yeah.
Unanipenda, nitakupembeleza wewe kama mtoto. Unanifahamu, usiende far. Songa karibu nami tukule raha.